city was once home to one of the largest lead and zinc mining operations in the world. The northeastern Oklahoma city of Picher has seen its population go from more than 12,000 people to less than 20.
In northeastern Oklahoma, right on the Kansas border, you find this town, Picher, Oklahoma. The town officially shut down operations in 2009 after contamination from lead and zinc mining.
After the EPA found lead poisoning in a large number of the city's citizens, especially children, the city was evacuated. Residents received buyouts for their homes and were relocated. The massive piles of lead and zinc chaff produced by miners remain.
So I had to come here to answer one question. What's left of Picher, Oklahoma? So here we are again, together in Oklahoma, checking out Picher. So very interesting history here, and we're going to drive around town and let you guys see it. On the main roads of Picher, it's pretty much a drive-through town, people going from one town to another by way of Picher. All the remaining properties now have been vacated. To get a better understanding of what happened in Picher, we need to take a look at its history. Back in 1913, lead and zinc were discovered in these northeastern Oklahoma native tribal lands. The Picher Lead Company was formed, and the town was named after company founder O.S. Picher. Between 1917 and 1947, the mine grew and became a key supplier of heavy metals for war efforts and defense manufacturing. The mining slowed down and eventually stopped in 1967. Along with mining stopping, so did the water pumping of the mine shafts. This caused them to fill with water and overflow into the surrounding area. Water contaminated with lead, cadmium, and zinc, along with sulfuric acid, polluted nearby waterways like Tar Creek. Running along all the roads in Picher, you'll find streams of this brown, acrid water. This is overflow from the flooded mines and runoff from all the chat piles around town. Residents reported an increase of health problems. School children were found to have toxic counts of lead in their blood. While the government was still deciding on what to do with the land, an F4 grade tornado tore through Picher in 2008, destroying many of the homes and buildings that were now already demolished. Cleanup took weeks, and residents that lost their homes were offered money to move out of town rather than to rebuild. After political struggles on both the state and federal level, the town was unincorporated in 2009 and returned control to the Quapaw Nation tribe. Some say it may be decades to a century before the area is really cleaned up and restored to a prairie, as the tribe wants it. If you want to learn more about the history of the Picher area and its struggles, I left some links in the description of some great videos that go deeper in on this topic. You can see right here, this is one of the chat piles that surrounds Picher and Cardin, Oklahoma. And they just brought out this excavator to start digging out these chat piles to haul away all the debris and contamination that's here. But it'll be decades before this area will be inhabited again. In the residential parts of town, Mother Nature is starting to reclaim where houses once stood.
what you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cruel. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. You promised me roses and hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand away from me. Please tell me it's a dream, the worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night here without you. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. So please don't make me do it, 'cause I got too much to lose. I got too much to lose. Now lay me in the wilderness to dry up bits of your sweet caress. I can't wait no more. Oh, willow trees have died and the last horn lark will fly. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. Please tell me it's a dream, worst kind you've ever dreamed. Oh, I don't wanna lay another night. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. So please don't make me do it, 'cause I got too much to lose.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Without your support, we can't make more videos like this.
Too